Are you looking for info about St. George home window installs? You're in the right place. With affordable options and fast service, we can help improve your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Let's dive into how you can make informed decisions for your window installation needs. When finding the right windows, it's easy to make mistakes. One common error is not researching enough. Make sure to choose a trusted contractor. This not only saves time, but also provides quality. Avoid selecting the first quote you receive. Always compare estimates and quality of materials before making a decision. By doing so, you can avoid unexpected hidden costs. St. George window installations are unique due to local climate conditions and architectural styles. Understanding these factors can greatly enhance the efficiency of your chosen products. Statistics reveal that new windows add significant value to your home. One client said they reduced energy costs significantly after installation. It's a win-win for comfort and savings. Let's start with the big question. How long does installation typically take? Window installations usually take 1 to 2 days depending on the number of windows. Discussing your project timeline with your installer is essential. Another question often asked is, what materials should I consider for my windows? Options range from vinyl to wood and beyond, each providing unique benefits and investing in energy efficiency. Finally, many ask about quotes. Call us now for a free no-obligation quote at 435-900-8696 or visit homewindowsstgeorge.com to get started on transforming your home today. In conclusion, investing in home window installation in St. George not only enhances your living space, but also leads to energy savings. Don't wait any longer. Call us today.